Hey guys, hope so you will be fine. Previously I have told you about the topic called array. That was very important topic, and today I have also another important topic which is string. Okay, so what is string? String is, in simple words, I will say it's actually a character array. Okay, it's actually a character array. The array of character data type is actually a string, or we can say it is actually the sequence of characters. Okay, we can also say it is sequence of characters. Like if we combine number of characters in a sequence, then we will have an string. Like first of all, let me tell you how to declare the string. I will use string data type string, then the name of my string, like my string equals, then I will write the value in my string in double quotes always. Okay, so here I will write like hello world. Okay, he got it. This is a simple declaration of string. 1 minute, here I will definitely need to use capital. Let me do it again. If there's an error, we'll get to know about that. String and then this thing. Okay, now let me remove it. Okay, done. Now here we have made a variable my string of the data type string. Now how to access the value of the string? Simple system.out.println. 1 minute, system.out system.out.println. Here we have, and then we will simple pass our variable. Simple method that we use. Let me run it, and now here we got hello world. Okay, now there are a lot of functions related to this string. Let me tell you them one by one. First function is length. We can check the length of our string by using dot length function. So if I want to check the length of this my string variable, then I will use, let me like I will make a variable int my string length. Okay, my string length is equals to the name of my variable my string dot, here I will use the function length. Okay, this will return the length of my function, then I will simply print that length. System.out, and where is my, here my string length variable. Now let me just run it, and we will get the length. Here it is 11. There are 11 words, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It will count the space as a character. Okay, always remember the space is also a character. Okay, it won't ignore this space. All the spaces in this double quotes will also be considered as a character. It will count them. Okay, now we are done with length. There are another function which is to uppercase or to lowercase. We can convert our variable to uppercase, like my string lower equals to my string dot to lowercase. Here we have this. In the same way we can convert to uppercase, like let me just print it now, system out.println, then I will use my string lower. This is the variable where I have stored that. Now let me just print it. String to int. Okay, I have used here int. This is not possible. I have to use string here. Okay, again I have done the same error. You have to remember this, that this as should be capital. Now run it, and here we got hello world, and here we got all the characters are in lowercase. In the same way we can convert it to uppercase by using the to upper. 1 minute, just here we will just remove, then we will automatically get our to upper. Here we have to uppercase, and then just let me just here we need to put terminator, and then just run it, and here we have hello world in upper words. Okay, there are another functions like to replace. We can replace a character with another character. Like if I am going to replace this E with the A, let's suppose I'm going to replace this E with A. So let's do that. In that case, I will need to just access my variable my string dot to replace no, it's just to replace my string dot replace. Here we have replace, and here is the I have to put old character and the new character. The old character is E and the new character is A. Let's just change it, and then need to put them in single quotes. It is compulsory. Okay, and then here done. Okay, and then let me just print it also, system dot print line, and I need to write this whole line here, and let me just move it here. Okay, let's just try it now. Okay, here E is replaced with A. Okay, here we got. There are a lot of more functions. You can also check them by writing simply your variable name, my string, and then using dot function. Here you have a lot of functions. Like you can use all of them. You can check the index of your specific character. You can use these last index of length. Here we have then notify, then replace, then split. There are a lot of functions that are also there. I'm not going to explain all of them. You simply can practice, and these all are basics that I have already told you, and hope so you will get my point. And now thank you so much for watching.